Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you my morning cleaning routine. I usually start off by making myself some coffee, so I'll turn on the coffee machine, and during that time while it's heating up, I will start to unload the dishwasher or put away the clean dishes. I try to load the dishwasher at nighttime and have it run this way when I wake up, most of the dishes are washed and clean. My favorite part of the morning is getting to choose a coffee cup. I love my little collection and it just makes my morning. While my coffee is brewing, I will go ahead and put away the rest of the clean dishes. Usually there will be a few things in the sink from my husband eating breakfast in the morning, so I will go ahead and put those in the dishwasher and wash whatever is left over. Then I like to go through and just make sure the counters are clean, wipe them down, just so that the kitchen is fresh and clean for the day. I also like to put some essential oils in my diffuser and let that run. I usually use lemon and tangerine or grapefruit, and it just gives the kitchen a fresh, clean smell. Then I will run through with the vacuum because after cleaning the counters there's usually crumbs on the floor, so I'll just quickly run through the kitchen and the dining room. After the kitchen is all clean, I will usually move on to the living room because it is a mess from the night before. I try not to go to bed with a messy house, but sometimes we'll stay up watching a show and we're exhausted and we'll leave everything as is, so there's usually a few things that need to get cleaned up. I like to go through and clean up whatever doesn't belong in there, fluff up the pillows, fold the blankets, and wipe down surfaces if they need to get wiped down. I will go through and vacuum the rugs and the floor. Then I'll move on to our bedroom and start making the bed. Sometimes it is already made by this time, but if I have to get up quick and take my dog out, then I'll leave it for later. To finish it off, I will vacuum the floors in our bedroom and the bathroom. Once all of that is done, it feels nice to be able to sit down in a clean house and finish my coffee, which is usually cold by this time, and check my Instagram or Facebook and just kind of have some cuddle time with my dog. Hopefully this gave you some motivation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you all next time.